This is an on-the-radar drift alert, highlighting a significant shift in public discussion. Public conversation around agentic AI is accelerating, with growing attention on how autonomous systems make decisions, where accountability lies, and how much human oversight is still required as these systems move into real-world execution. This briefing reflects aggregated public discourse across technical communities, research commentary, and professional discussion. It is not editorial judgment. One dominant concern trending upward is the lack of transparency and interpretability in how agentic AI systems make decisions and carry out tasks autonomously. As these systems move beyond generating recommendations and begin executing actions independently, users increasingly question why specific decisions are made and how those decisions can be explained or audited after the fact. In many discussions, the issue is not that agentic systems act incorrectly, but that their internal reasoning and decision pathways remain opaque, making trust difficult to establish in operational environments. Closely connected to this is a new and rapidly emerging ethical concern. Public discourse increasingly reflects anxiety that autonomous AI systems may be optimized for efficiency or profitability at the expense of human well-being. This concern is especially visible in sensitive sectors, such as healthcare, where automated decision-making can affect diagnosis, treatment prioritization, and patient outcomes. Here, the risk is not theoretical. Discussion frequently highlights scenarios where optimization goals may conflict with ethical expectations, raising questions about governance, safeguards, and accountability when systems act independently. Another emerging signal centers on uncertainty about whether agentic AI can truly replace human workers, or whether human-in-the-loop oversight remains essential for quality, safety, and responsibility. Rather than focusing on job displacement alone, the conversation is shifting toward operational reality. Many participants argue that while autonomous systems can handle discrete tasks, humans remain necessary to manage edge cases, resolve ambiguity, and intervene when outcomes carry significant consequences. This framing reflects a growing recognition that autonomy exists on a spectrum, rather than as an all-or-nothing capability. A fourth emerging concern highlights the complexity of transitioning from simple generative outputs to fully autonomous task execution. Public discussion increasingly notes that multi-step workflows, system coordination, deployment constraints, and real-world variability introduce challenges that early demonstrations did not fully address. The gap between proof-of-concept autonomy and reliable end-to-end execution is becoming more visible as organizations attempt to operationalize agentic systems at scale. At the same time, some earlier concerns are fading from prominence. Discussion around manual intervention as a technical limitation is trending downward, suggesting that the focus has shifted away from whether intervention exists toward how much autonomy is acceptable and under what conditions it should be constrained. What is notable is not any single concern, but how consistently these themes are appearing together across public discourse. Taken collectively, they indicate a shift from early excitement about agentic AI's capabilities toward deeper scrutiny of its governance, ethics, and operational boundaries. Within the GlobalInsight application, signals like these contribute to broader risk framing and response-oriented analysis, while interpretation and decision-making remain with the user and their specific context. If you want to explore the underlying signals behind this drift, you can review the aggregated analysis directly at GlobalInsight.ai. Thank you for watching. If this briefing was useful, like, comment, and subscribe to see future updates as new topics move on to the radar.